Flattening rolls are usually used in combination with an offset lap. The offset lap will produce the step necessary for fitting the two pieces of pipe together, but the flattening roll will increase the circumference of the outside of the step to make it easier for the fit up. It can also be used to pull edges down if I need to change the angle of that edge or lift them up. It should be remembered though that if these are used in a tightening situation where we tighten down on these, they only stretch material, which will increase the diameter. If we take our offset lap collar and find that it doesn't fit easily into a matching pipe of the same size, what we have to do is reduce the thickness of the material on the step by putting it through the flattening roll. Flattening roll has two rolls that are identical. The upper and the lower are identical, and there is a gauge on this side. The gauge could be put on either side for left-handed people. Sliding the gauge back, we set it for the distance of the step. The step could be anything. In this case here, we've got the step at about 1/2 inch. It's not unusual though to find on very accurate fittings that this step could be taken down to 1/4 inch. Aligning the step into the machine, bring it down, gently tightening it. It's important not to over tighten it. This will increase in diameter rather rapidly, and an over tightening situation will cause it to go wrinkly on the edge. Passing around once, lifting gently. We've increased the diameter somewhat. Probably not enough even yet to make the connection between the two collars. They are close, but not exact. One more pass should do it. Notice I always go in the same direction, exactly the same as the bead, the crimp, all other deep throat machines. We want to turn in the same direction. Turning backwards will make it very difficult to control. As you can see now, this edge is actually starting to form a bell mouth. As you can see, the two pieces fit together. It's important that when we run it through the flattening roll, it doesn't remove the step. It's only to the edge of the step, not over top of the step. Our collars fit together now, giving us a nice smooth airflow between the two, which can easily be sealed on the outside edge. At this point, we need to make the decision of how we're going to join these two flaps together. The most common way in the commercial shop would be to spot weld these, although they could be slipped over a clinch lock or pop riveted. But by and large, we would find most of the time that this would be a spot welded lap seam.